Okay, so I'm gonna try and take apart whatever I can down here on the belt. I'm gonna take that crank pulley off. So what I've done here is I've taken the wheel off, and got it blocked up here, and you can get at it by just pulling this skirt up. And there it is right there. I'm gonna get that pulled off of there, and then I can get the belt out. Doesn't seem to be any way to get the belt without taking that pulley off. Oh, that's turning really easy. You can see the pistons going. Everything's moving nice and smooth. I think the engine's going to be okay. Get another head on there. Yeah, that moves real nice. Okay, I'm going to get out the old compressor here, and we're going to use the air impact and pull that. Oh, I should get an extension while I'm over here. 1/2-inch extension. A couple of those. Okay, so I'm going to use the air impact, and I don't have the metric socket that this takes, but I have one that's 1 3/16", and that fits perfectly on there. So it must be there must be an equivalent. A little heat on that. Ah, got it. Okay, I got the pulley off. I'm going to clean all this up. I'm going to take that tensioner off. I'm going to take this idler off. Okay, I got a 12mm socket on that tensioner. Okay, there it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to clean up. I've been soaking the engine here with some soapy water and a brush, and try and get some of this oil deposits off of it, and I'm going to clean down in here. And what I've done is I've bagged off several items here, and what I'm going to use is a pressure washer, but I'm going to be very careful with it. I'm not going to spray it down in every hole. I'm not going to spray it down the top of the engine here. I'm just going to cover this up, and I'm going to clean down in here and get some of the oil and grease off that's been accumulating over the years on the side of this engine. Okay, so that's ready. I got a garbage bag over there. I'm going to be careful not to get it down in there, and then the minute I'm done pressure washing, I'm going to mop up any water that might have got in there and just check everything. I'm going to spray all the connections with some WD-40, and yeah, that should be fine. Okay, let's get started here. Let's start down in here.